Dear students and viewers, I hope you all are pursuing the goals of your lives. I've introduced this segment on my channel to regularly upload videos based on exam style questions about accounting, finance, economics, and business mathematics. Based on my teaching experience spanning over more than 3 decades, I believe that this approach of learning is the best for both beginners and advanced level students. So please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to stay informed about new videos. These videos will help you understand important concepts in a friendly manner to pass your exams and apply these concepts in real life. This is the first video on the subject of financial management, and today's question is Lilydale, a public limited company, has the following information. Profit before taxation $750,000, taxation $150,000, profit after taxation is $600,000, ordinary dividend proposed is $150,000, and retained profit or retained earnings are $450,000. The market price per share is currently 83 cent cumulative of dividend, and Lilydale has 5 million ordinary shares in issue. Based on this information, what is the price to earnings ratio of Lilydale Company to one decimal place? Option A, 7.6, option B, 8.1, option C, 6.3, option D, 6.7. To correctly answer this question, we need to understand the concept of a PE ratio and how it is calculated. The PE or price earning ratio is used for valuing companies and to find out whether they are overvalued or undervalued. A high PE ratio can mean that a stock's price or share price is high relative to earnings and possibly overvalued. A low PE ratio might indicate that the current stock price or share price is low relative to earnings. The next question is how a PE ratio is calculated. Well, the PE ratio is calculated by dividing the market value price per share by the company's earnings per share. However, to apply this formula, firstly we need to calculate the market price per share that excludes the dividend element in the market price. So let's first calculate the market price per share excluding the dividend element in it. From the question, we know that the market price cumulative of dividend is 83 cents. However, we don't know the amount of dividend in this market price. To calculate the dividend in the market price, we must divide an ordinary dividend with the number of ordinary shares or common stock. So, dividend per share is equal to ordinary dividend divided by number of ordinary shares or common stock. Since the ordinary dividend is $150,000 and there are 5 million ordinary shares, so the answer is dividend per share, 3 cents per share. That is $150 divided by 5 million. Since in the question the market price cumulative of dividend is 83 cents, therefore after deducting the dividend of 3 cents per share from it, we will get market price excluding dividend of 80 cents per share. This may be calculated as follows. Market price per share X dividend, that is excluding dividend, is equal to market price per share cumulative dividend minus dividend per share. So in our case, this is 83 cent minus 3 cents is equal to 80 cents. Secondly, we need to calculate the earnings per share, that is calculated by dividing after tax profits or earnings by number of ordinary shares. From the question, we know that after tax profits are $600,000 and the number of ordinary shares is 5 million. So earnings per share is $600,000 divided by 5 million. This gives us a figure of 12 cents per share. Now we can calculate the price earning ratio. So PE ratio is equal to market price per share divided by earnings per share. In our case, this is 80 cents divided by 12 cents. So we get 6.7 as the answer. So the market price of ordinary shares of this company is 6.7 times higher than its earnings per share. Whether it is good or bad will depend upon what other companies' PE ratio is in the industry. Based on our calculations and explanation of price to earnings ratio, the correct answer is option D, that is 6.7. If you have enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon for notifications and also share and like this video. Thank you for watching.